Another day of pointed testimony in the DUI manslaughter case of John Goodman concludes with a question from Mr. Goodman himself. Will he or won't he take the witness stand?
His answer could be pivotal and would most certainly generate the most heightened interest in this already high-profile case. News Channel 5 anchor Jay Kashmir is leading our team coverage from the Palm Beach County Courthouse. Jay?
Michael and Kelly, we will get that answer tomorrow. It has been widely expected that John Goodman would not testify in this case. However, a bombshell today, if you will. Judge Colbath directly asked John Goodman if he would testify. He said it is solely his decision, not his lawyers. John Goodman took a few moments to consult with his lawyers, and then Roy Black came back with the big decision. He said tomorrow morning we will announce whether or not our client, the main defendant in this case, will testify. It could be a huge decision. It could break this case wide open, hearing from the major defendant in this case tomorrow. Otherwise, today, the prosecution cross-examined the defense today. The defense plowing through more testimony today, putting on the stand Michael Urban. He is a forensic engineer, and he really mapped out the crash site for the defense, mapping it out with critical data. A lot of physics involved today, specifically with regard to the two vehicles involved in this crash, the speed of the crash, all those little details, trying to give those jurors the best account of what happened in the seconds leading up to the crash. My colleague Alex Sands joins me live from the other side of the Palm Beach County Courthouse with more on the big developments from this one witness today. Alex.
An early end of the day in court, Jay, and the possibility this hour of this case going to the jury possibly as early as Thursday. A lot of people waiting to see if that happens. Of course, much of his day, as we saw yesterday, spent on very specific, very technical testimony. A lot of it centering on different aspects of this investigation, as we saw yesterday. A defense witness on the stand today, an engineer, telling the jury John Goodman may not have been driving as fast as first said, that Scott Wilson may have been driving faster than they first contended. And on it went from there. Small differences, big consequences, he said, and for prosecutors, another day of hammering away.
It's unequivocal. The two made contact. Oftentimes in these types of accidents, vehicles start to spin.
Are you familiar with Bentley automobiles?
Not 100%, no.
Okay. Do you recognize this at all as having appeared on the seat that you took photos of?
I don't recall, though. I'm sure you may have something up your sleeve. No.
Just before the day wrapped, the jury was shown videotape testimony of Stacy Shore, a Players Club patron who was with John Goodman the night of the crash. Here now is a portion of what she told the jury.
I don't know what he was drinking. I mean, we were talking. I don't know if he was drinking, what he was drinking.
Did he have more than one drink with him at the time you were with him, from an hour to an hour and a half?
I don't recall.
Now, when you left John at the stairway at the Players Club, did he appear to you to be impaired or intoxicated?
It's not for my place to say that, but he seemed fine to me.
The defense is close to resting its case, Jay. It may do so as early as tomorrow, with the prosecution presenting its rebuttal possibly tomorrow afternoon.
Alex Sands continuing our live coverage here from the Palm Beach County Courthouse. Alex, thank you very much. So a big decision tomorrow morning whether or not John Goodman will in fact testify. We'll find out first thing when court opens up session at 8:30. And then, of course, this trial starting to conclude, starting to wrap up tomorrow. The defense expected to rest its case, and the jury could have this case by this time on Thursday. Michael, back to you.